Good morning, Oostburg Concrete. Our toolbox talk this week is on hand protection. Hand protection, part of the standard, it's part of PPE. And we all, I think, understand that. But why do we have a lot of injuries? I'm going to go through some things and maybe it'll help us to understand. Protecting our hands before something happens in the first place. Hands and fingers need protection from injuries and other health hazards. Why? Because absorption to harmful substances could be from severe cuts, lacerations, abrasions, and punctures. We see it and hear it all the time. Chemical heat or electrical burns. Extreme heat or cold, and we deal with that. Bloodborne pathogens. Number 2, gloves are an important form of hand protection. They provide the effective barrier between the hand and the hazard. Don't wear gloves if they create a greater hazard. An example is getting caught in a machine. Number 3, select gloves designated to protect against a specific job hazard. Insulated gloves protect against heat and cold. Choose fire retardant materials for the exposure to open flames. Choose reflective materials for exposure to radiant heat. Neoprene rubber insulated gloves. All right? They protect against electric shock and burns. Metal mesh. Or other cut-resistant gloves protect us against sharp objects. Leather. Gloves protect against rough surfaces, chips, or sparks. And moderate heat for that matter. Cotton gloves protect against dirt, splinters, and abrasion and help grip slippery materials or objects. Cotton's not a good protection for use of rough, sharp, or heavy materials, by the way. Number 4, other PPE can provide added hand protection. Hand pads can protect against heat, rough surfaces, and splinters. You can't wear hand pads if you're doing delicate work. Thumb and finger guards or tapes can provide extra protection on dangerous jobs. Long cuffs, wristlets, or duct tape can keep chemicals or heat outside the glove. Barrier creams can help protect skin when gloves can't be worn. However, a barrier cream is not a substitute for a glove. Creams must be applied frequently and only on clean skin. Proper PPE on hands. We got to think about what we're using before we choose the right glove, so we can choose the right glove. It's about choices to protect our hands and protect those injuries. That's my message for the week. Have a great and safe week. Take care.